How many of you have heard about this popular green tea face mask stick? There's a lot of review on it, and then there's this video. You can watch the video about what the mask is supposed to, how the mask is supposed to make your face look afterwards. If you have any blemish on your skin, it's meant to clear all the blemish. It's meant to give you a glass skin a few minutes after use. Well, as a professional, I don't like hyperpigmentation or any spots whatsoever. It's not supposed to clear in a minute, but we'll see. I will use it and then I will see what is going to happen to my face if it does what it says on the tin. Okay, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video, like this video, and the notification button, the bell button, so that you not miss any new uploads from me. Okay, visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel is about all things beauty, skincare, skin glow. Okay, and please click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and the notification button as well, so that you not miss any new uploads from me. And please like this video, click the like button and share this video. Okay, so I'm gonna review this mask now. The first thing that is a little bit confusing to me is this mask. Let me put my reading glasses so I can see very well. It doesn't have any oh my goodness, it doesn't have any instruction on how long you should use it for or how to apply it. It just gives instruction here of the type of skin and how many days you should use it in a week, and also the main ingredients here, kaolin. So kaolin, I love kaolin. Kaolin is very good in removing excess oil, dirt and impurities from your skin. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it on my skin. When you apply it on your skin, it's meant to bring out all these black things coming out from your skin, and those black things are supposedly dirt from your skin. So let's open it. I've not used it before. This is my first time. I think it has this cap on it. Oh god, should I push it up? Now this is my skin. Now I can see I don't have that much issue on my skin, but I have 1 or 2 spots here. That time of the month, hormonal breakouts. So this is how it looks. It doesn't look very clean, does it? I think you push it. Oh, look, it smells like balm. It smells more like balm. It looks like roll-on that you put on your armpits. Now let's put it on. Oh god, it feels so cheap on the skin. I don't know. God, I hope my skin will come out the same. Oh my goodness, maybe I should have done a patch test before using it. I'm not so convinced about this at all. Watch my skin burn. Avoid your eye and lip area. Any cream that you're applying on your face, you avoid your eye and lip area, except it's meant for your eye. on your lip. Now let's go on the neck. Always. Oh, let's do. Smells like balm or something. I don't know if I like it that much. No, let's cover it. It doesn't. What it says, like when you apply it, it's supposed to bring out all the those black things coming out on your face. I don't see any black things except something is wrong with my eyes, but so far no black thing is coming out. Oh my goodness, this is a sham. Oh God, I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes. I don't want to leave it for too long because I don't want my skin to burn. And it doesn't have any duration of how long you should leave it for, which is a little bit strange. Every skincare product, especially mask, scrub, it should, tell you how long you should on your skin for. Nothing is happening on my skin so far, so I just leave it for a few minutes, okay, and see. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. No black thing. I don't see any black thing on my face. And no black thing. From the video, look at the video again. I don't see any black thing coming out. This is from China, by the way, so this product is from China. Jeez. To be honest with you, this is burning my face a little bit, so I'm just gonna run right now and wash it off. I'm gonna run right now and wash it off because it's very like the burning sensation is coming a little bit too strong. I'm gonna go wash it off. I have 3 minutes. Okay, this mask did absolutely nothing on my face. Look at my face. Look, I don't see any difference. Look, let me come closer. I don't see any difference. My face is still the same. All the spots are still there, which was what I All the skincare companies. Oh my goodness, this is a sham. I can't wait to hydrate my face, my skin, because my skin feels so dry. It screams hydration. Hydrate me, hydrate me. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? My toner. This is my serum. It's screaming hydration. So make my skin. Look. I'm sorry, but I'm so pissed off right now that I actually wasted my money buying this. This is the price here I paid for this. I wasted my money for nothing. For nothing. I could have used that money and buy myself something nice. Now my skin feels much better. My God. I will not recommend this. I will definitely not recommend this. But it's up to you if it's something you want to use. But no way will I recommend you to go buy this. It does nothing on my skin whatsoever. All the claims are like fake, false claim. My spots are still there. It didn't do anything. It didn't even dry my spot out. It didn't dry. It did nothing on my skin. It was like I put some paint on my face and wasted my time for nothing, and my money. Wasted my money for nothing. This video, this video they have, I absolutely, this is disgusting. Anyway, thank you so much, my favorite people, and so sorry. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and share this video to other people so that people will not go wasting money to buy this. Absolutely disgusting. Don't buy it. Okay, don't buy it. Don't forget to what am I even saying? I've lost. Oh God, I've lost track of what to say. Share this video and like it, please, and subscribe. Click the notification button, which is the bell button, so that you don't miss any new video uploads. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much, and I love you. Take care.